Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. You have heard me talk about my favorite mom and pop place to search for. So here it is, a sneak peek tour of where I find my most interesting items. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Okay, so here we are. I am in my favorite warehouse to pick. As you can see, they just have everything. He collects a lot of office furniture, but I have been getting a lot of really fun things from him. As you can see, everything is discounted ridiculously cheap. And so that desk there was similar to the one that I have. And then, of course, he's got all these gorgeous looking ones. He gets these from Scott Air Force Base near us. And basically, it's when a whole new office turns over, he gets these and acquires these through buying whole truckloads and bidding on them. He doesn't know exactly what he's going to get, but he knows kind of a ballpark. And so as you can see, he has a huge warehouse that he basically lets me and my hubby come in and just rummage through stuff. And so we just wander around through these little passageways and find little gold nuggets from here to there. If you've ever seen my video on gas masks, that's where I came up with these, obviously from the base. I've also found a lot of old tech that I've been able to sell. I'm really selling really well. Some keyboards with smart card readers in them. But as you can see, this place is just absolutely enormous. And usually when I come in there, he lets me haggle and he's very respectful. He knows that I'm a reseller. I let him know right off the bat. And coming soon to my channel, I'm going to be doing a Q&A one-on-one interview with him to kind of find out how to get into this business, how did he acquire his property, and, you know, lots of other fun things. I just thought this piece was absolutely beautiful. Just a gorgeous dresser, and, you know, you can repurpose a lot of these things. I'm thinking about maybe using these as dressers in my home, but the metal shelves that you always see in my videos when I'm unboxing a pallet came from this place, and he even delivered them to my space. So it's amazing to get in with the locals of the local mom and pop resale consignment shops. Just try to look around some of the small little towns that you have, and you may find a gold nugget like this. This is so much fun. I usually go down there about once a month, and I think I may be going down there even more frequently than that, just simply because I'm able to always find good things. Need some fake trees? Here you go. I buy my whiteboards that I use from him. $30 for those whiteboards that you saw me use. All my office chairs that I have are also from there. Just tons and tons of stuff, and as you can see, it's just massively a huge place to look through. So check around your area, see if you might have something like that, and, you know, ask some of the local people. Jump on Facebook, ask them. So these are really nice ones as well that look almost like dressers, but they're filing cabinets. Here's a whole row of similar filing cabinets like I have. Another whole row of them. Another roll. Now this is kind of my range. We're getting into the smalls, was what I call them. Smaller items. I've looked up a few of those laptop bags. Need towels? Soap? What about an old projector? And he's got binders galore. Caster wheels. I'm trying to sell some of those. He's got boxes and boxes of that kind of stuff. And so think outside the box and see what can you sell on the different platforms that you're looking for. Need some halogen outdoor lamps? There you go. Just going to keep walking on through. Lots and lots of tools. Here's the racks and racks of caster wheels that I was talking about, and they look just like that. So need some orange safety vests. I actually have some of those. I don't have them listed right now because they're in my old shed, but I have those brand new in package exactly like those. So if you want some orange safety vests, let me know. More chairs stacked up there. Another row of things. Oh, these are amazing. I started looking through some of these pictures, and they're really neat scenes. And so if you see a scene that you're really interested in, please just let me know. I would love to be able to. He will still have some of these pictures by the time I go back. So if there's something particularly you're looking for, let me know, or a picture that you see as I'm flipping through these. I would love to be able to, I love this one. It's basically airplanes, and they've got the red, white, and blue smoke. Nice world map. So if you're interested in these, shoot me an email or leave me a comment on this this video. The easiest way is to shoot me an email at hookedonpickin.com, just simply because then it doesn't get lost in the shuffle of comments on this particular video. But lots and lots of fun things. There's a shuttle getting, I think, going to be refueled. Some old-timey scenes, how to work out. So lots and lots of fun stuff there. So as I walk through here, I'm actually, look at this awesome bank. It's like a vault. It's amazing. I'm going to go up these stairs and show you from the loft just the magnitude of his warehouse. So it's he's got a bunch of rolling desk chairs up in this loft he bought. There's a water storage container for those of you who are maybe preppers. That'd be something you might be interested in. But as you can see from the loft, this place is just absolutely massive. So kind of do a panoramic scan for you here. So it's just enormous. Tons of stuff everywhere. I love going to this place. The guy is super nice, and, you know, he always has nuggets. He also has a retail space uptown, but this is usually the place I hunt because this is where he brings all the new stuff, and so I try to get it before he brings it up to his retail space. So that's kind of my area right here. All the smalls. I don't generally sell giant furniture. So any office chair you could possibly want. Any shape or style. There's a really cool one right over here I want to show you that's just really neat. I try to figure out a place in my home that, as you can see, more stuff. I love this chair right here. I try to find a place in my home that I could fit it, but I really have too much stuff in my house already. So I decided to leave it there for someone else to enjoy. So I'm going to head back down the stairs here in a bit. Oh, yeah, I wanted to give you guys a better look at this water kind of storage container. So I think it's to collect rainwater, if I'm not mistaken. If you have a correction on that, please let me know. So I wanted to give you a glimpse on this massively huge warehouse. As you can see, my hubby's sitting in that chair that I enjoyed as well. And hopefully it's been helpful and you've enjoyed this tour of my fun mom and pop place near me that I get to pick. So look for that mom and pop place near you. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin' Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin' Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.